World Republic Day. Good morning everyone. I am Adrika Dalal from class 3rd B. Welcomes you all to the virtual celebration 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year to commemorate the day when the Constitution of India, which is the lengthiest constitution written in the world, came into effect. Before beginning the special assembly, I request my friend Manseerat to please tell us the meaning of republic.
The word republic refers to the power of the people through which they elect their representatives to lead the country.
That is absolutely correct, Manseerat. Let us begin our assembly with a beautiful thought by Vinaya.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is, our nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. I repeat, our nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vinaya. Now I would like to invite Mitanj to update us on what is happening around the world.
Hi, I am Mitanj. Today news headlines are another COVID wave but mood positive, says PM Modi. Vaccination certificate not must for any purpose. Center tells Supreme Court. Punjab polls put off to February 20 due to Ravidas Jayanti. News for sports. Rohit and Ashwin must be stopped. Get test captain. Serena Williams opts out WTA top 50. Now today's weather forecast. Cold wave to sweep Punjab, Haryana, Delhi in next 2 days. Minimum temperature increases slightly to settle at 8.2 degrees. Delhi records highest rainfall for January. Thank you.
We shall begin by touching briefly upon the history of how India became republic. We all know that India was called its pretend over 200 years and became independent from British Raj on 15th August 1947. Following the Indian independence movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and other freedom fighters. While India did become independent, but she still didn't have a permanent constitution that would be blueprint of the future of independent Indian Republic. What was needed was a guiding stand that would not despirit our young democracy. This became possible with the Indian Constitution, which finally came into effect on 26 January 1950, and has since been celebrated as a Republic Day. We have Devansh with us, who will play the role of Father of Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Everyone, do you recognize me? Yes, I am Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Today, I welcome you all in the celebration of 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is the celebration of our Constitution, and I, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, being the principal architect, played a great role in Indian Constitution. Some people have opinion, as my name also suggests. I am a man of iron built character. I, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, is born on 14th April in Mahur, MP, in the Hindu Mahakaste family, which was known as untouchables. By the upper caste and face severe discrimination and humiliation by the society, despite of all of injustice in my life. I went abroad for my higher studies. When I came back to India, the scene was not different. So I took a firm decision to start Dalit movement to fight for their rights. In 1947, I I became the first Prime Minister in the Indian government. While drafting the Indian Constitution, I kept in mind the diversity of the country and held some other respects too. Thus, the people started calling me the father of Indian Constitution. Now, we will move forward with this program to witness the celebration of Republic Day in different states. Thank you and have a nice day.
India is a vast country. It consists of people belonging to different religions, professing different political faiths, using a variety of clothes and languages. These diversities facilitate the overall progress of each state, preserving its identity. Each state specializes in its own culture and ethic. The whole country viewed at a glance, but shows diversities but remain united. Students of class 3rd B are going to tell us about the culture of different states of India.
Hi, I am Arav. I am from Maharashtra. Maharashtra has given us freedom fighters like Veer Savarkar, Shivaji and Tanaji. It has contributed to women's empowerment by giving us leaders like Rani Lakshmibai and Ahilyabai. Maharashtra is the most GDP paying state. It is the finance capital of India. The major fight against Britishers for freedom in India was started when the Navy protested against Britishers in Mumbai. The famous slogan that Marathas used was Har Har Mahadev. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pranul. I am from the land of coconut trees called Kerala. It is very amazing state with the highest literacy rate and the highest female to male ratio. It is the cleanest state of India and the paradise of Ayurveda, and it is famous for its charming houseboats, magnificent architecture, sprawling tea plantation, and it is also known as God's own country. Thank you.
Hello, I am Jivika and I am from Goa, the smallest state of India. Our language is Konkani. We are born with music and football in our blood. Our most popular festivals include Goa Carnival, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas, Easter and Shigmo. Rice and fish curry is our staple diet. Besides being an international center of youth culture, we love our country. जय हिंद जय भारत। पूरब से आते हैं पश्चिम तक छा जाते हैं, पूरब से आते हैं पश्चिम तक छा जाते हैं, उत्तर से दक्षिण तक भी पहचाने जाते हैं। अलग है भाषा प्रांत परिवेश, फिर भी मिलकर देते हैं एक ही संदेश। वतन हमारी शान है, वतन हमारा मान है। हम जिस देश के वासी हैं वो भारत देश महान है। Republic Day is one of India's most significant national festivals, celebrated with extraordinary pride and energy all throughout the nation. Republic Day celebration is observed by raising the national flag in our capital city, that is New Delhi, while singing the national anthem. We have Alina with us who will tell us about the significance of Republic Day and its celebrations.
Good morning everyone. My name is Alina and I am going to deliver my speech on the topic Republic Day of India. We celebrate 26th January as Republic Day of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into effect and India became Republic. It is celebrated as India's national festival. Republic Day is just not another Indian festival. It celebrates a democracy which holds together and bonds people to every belonging religious, caste, creed. The entire country is decorated into tricolors to convey that India is a country where unity in diversity is displayed. On this day at Delhi in Rajpath, the parade by Indian Army, Air Force, Navy, Police and Paramilitary forces are also displayed. Gallantry awards are also given on this day. In this, the beautiful Jhansi represent the beauty of all states. In this year, 2022, it will mark as India's 73rd Republic Day. Leaders of 5 Central Asian states will be the chief guests for year 2022. Thank you.
Thank you, Alina, for sharing the valuable information with us on this auspicious day. Let us remember the freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives so that India and we, its proud children, could live with freedom and dignity. Hastashi, small but heartfelt tribute to the struggles and achievements of those who made this day possible.
वीर जवानों का अलबेलों का मतखानों का इस देश का यारो क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का कहना छाती हीरो की यहाँ बोली शक्लें हीरो की यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे मस्ती में मस्ती है झूमे बस्ती में की राहों में कतारे फूलों की यहाँ हंसता है सावन बालों में खिलती है कलियां जालों में
Thank you. Wow, what a mesmerizing performance. Thank you all for being with us. तेरी सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।